Founded in 2012, Foshan MexyTech Company Limited is a professional supplier engaging in eco-materials with outstanding R&D capacity. MexyTech promotes environmental security and developed WPC as a perfect substitution to real wood application. What is more, in 2018, we developed utility design for wood plastic composite fans, new decking clips, rising pedestal system, and fire-resistant WPC products. MexyTech would like to create a win-win situation and build a long-term cooperation with our clients in Europe, Mid East, Australia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and America after a decade's development. With the assistance of design department, MexyTech becomes an experienced company with large cooperation or handling big projects, such as Hong Kong Ocean Park, Macau Tower, and Malaysian Genting Project. We provide 10 years warranty for all series of composite wood products, which result in better consumer experience. The production base of MexyTech is located in Xinxing, not far from Guangzhou and Shenzhen. As one of the first WPC manufacturers applying dust extraction system, MexyTech brings eco-concepts to production management by using recycled wood fiber powder and plastic as raw material. We have 25 production lines to make sure the accurate delivery time and 1 testing lab for product tests before delivery. MexyTech owns a design team for customized designs and 1 large warehouse for low MOQ purchases. If you are interested in our company, please contact us for detailed certification and catalog. Thank you.